Hello viewers. Salam to all of you and welcome to IT Tecture. In this video, I am going to show you how can you reduce the size of your video up to 90%. The process is very easy. You can do this in only 3 steps. First, install Handbrake and import your video. Second, make your settings same as mine. Third, export your video. So let's start. Here, I have a video file. And the size of the video is 115 MBs. I am going to the properties of the video. Here, you can clearly see that the video size is 115 MBs, and it is a .mp4 file. Just press on OK. Go to the link given in description, and download the official setup file of Handbrake. After installing it, go to your Start menu or search bar, and type Handbrake. When Handbrake is opened, drag the video file on it. Go to Tools and click on Preferences. Then click on Output Files option. Here, you have to change your default file path to this variable called source_path. Also change the file format to source-opt. Now go back and check mark the Web Optimized option. Then go to Dimensions, and make sure that the dimensions are same as the dimensions of your video. And also make sure that all the readings are 0. Then go to Filters, and copy the settings as shown on the screen. Go to Video, and select the video codec as H.264. And frame rate as same as your video's frame rate. Keep the encoder preset at center. In the quality section, select the constant quality, and keep it on 22 RF. Go to audio section, and set the audio codec as AAC. Again double check all the settings so that they should be same as mine. And press Start Encode. Wait until the process will have been completed. When it is completed, you will see that there is a new file on the desktop. I am going to Properties of this file. Oh my god, here, you can clearly see that the size of video is reduced up to 100 megabytes. Let me show you comparison of the sizes of these two videos. In the properties of both videos, you can see that both videos are of 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Their frame width is 1920 and their frame height is 1080. Going to close them. If you want to save this settings, so you do not need to do these settings manually again and again, just click on Add button. Here, you can type the name what you want, and click on Add. Here, you can see that a new preset is added in Custom Presets. So this is how you can do it. What about their quality? Let me show you the difference in the quality of the videos. and you can see that there is no difference in the quality of the videos. Both the videos are fully high quality. So you need not to worry about the quality of the videos. If you like the video, press the like button. Subscribe the channel to get notification of all new updates. Also share it to others so they can take benefit of it. Take care, until we meet with the new video. Allah Hafiz.